Don't skip this opportunity because I am going to tell you about Reveja entry level software engineering new phase is started. If you see here that Reveja entry level software engineering hiring is out and the form is also there, but you have to understand each and everything. Not only in this opportunity, but I am going to tell you each and every opportunity which is very big opportunity है, urgent hiring है, ठीक है, ये इसके लिए तुरंत हमें अप्लाई करना है। 4 हायरिंग से बताने जा रहा हूँ इस वीडियो में, बट प्लीज गो एंड वॉच अबाउट विप्रो, ठीक है, नोट टेस्ट, डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू अपॉर्चुनिटी, Cisco, Wipro, Amdocs, and one more hiring that you can see that test is on 14th or 18th January. Go and apply it as soon as possible. Both hiring I uploaded yesterday. Go and check out these 2 videos and hit the apply button. But before apply, you have to do one thing which I already told you in that videos. Go and check out first, then apply it. So please do subscribe my channel, like this video, and please join Telegram and WhatsApp channel. So entry level software engineer role is there. Multiple location is obviously there because always we see that Reveja always uploaded that opportunity which is pan India hiring. You can also select multiple location. You can also select multiple location wherever you want to join the company. Full time paid training they are providing because this is a program opportunity. Like full time ही है, but यहाँ पे 2-3 चीजों की समझना जरूरत है। BE BTech Computer Science IT Software Engineering is compulsory. No prior experience is required because this is absolutely for entry level. Fresher hiring 25, 26 can apply. Problem solve and 24 also can apply. Communication interpersonal skill is compulsory. Now if you scroll down, then there is the form. You have to select the India, then select your state, and then you have to give yes or no में यहाँ पे yes पे click करना है. If you are clicking on no, ठीक है, are you correctly a student? Then if you are not clicking on no, then it thinks, see, you have to click on yes if you are pursuing 26 batch. If you are from 24 25, you can easily click on no. Give your graduation date here and willingly as to relocate में absolutely पे click करना है, वरना you will get the rejection mail. How many year of experience? See, 0 to 1 पे ही click करना, उससे ज़्यादा में ये reject कर देंगे because only fresher is eligible. Gender male female both he can apply, and in the language fluency you have to click English is compulsory, Hindi is also, and जो भी तुम्हारी native मदर टंग है वो तुमको select करनी है. You have to upload your updated resume. What updated resume? Because if you see resume file type must be doc, PDF, TXT, and file size, then file less than 5 MB is compulsory. You have to click on optional, then click on I am not a robot and fill this form as soon as possible. Now what to add in resume? Basically if you see your entry level opportunity, already they are giving you paid training, means they will provide you internship with stipend, और यहाँ पे full time opportunity है उसके बाद. But keep in mind real world project enhance your skill. They are also giving you the real world project experience. So just put all software engineer domain. What all software engineer domain? Web technologies, GitHub, database, anyone programming with basic data structure, not algorithm, only data structure and agile methodology, waterfall, SDLC, and some testing knowledge if you have, but this is optional, not mandatory. So if you are putting these domain in resume, then you will definitely get to see the shortlisting mail because only shortlisting is there and you have to upload your updated resume. बस इतना काम कर लो, काम हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. Give your personal detail very carefully, especially email address और phone number, ठीक है. So please apply it as soon as possible. Now second opportunity, big opportunity, Thales Digital just announced SDE1, but full stack role is compulsory. If you scroll down and see that only software engineering domain is required. अब ये software engineering domain ये होते हैं, देख रहे हो जो तुमको इसके लिए मैंने बताया ना, वो ये होते हैं like object oriented, HTML, web technologies, and GitHub, SDLC हो गया, computer science fundamental, algorithm, data structure. These are software engineering domain. You can easily use same resume for Reveja and Thales Digital also. Now what to add in resume already told you, but here is something missing, like only few interpersonal skill is written. Just to put all interpersonal skill, whichever whatever you know, take help from ChatGPT for interpersonal skill and put these things because इसी में shortlisting हो जाती है. देखो SDLC यहाँ पे मिलेगा responsibilities में, जो कि already I told you in Reveja you have to put in resume, but here you cannot see that SDLC part. That's why I always told you that read responsibilities also, take domain from responsibilities and required skill also, क्योंकि कुछ डोमेन रिक्वायर्ड स्किल में नहीं होते जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में होते हैं और मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज है. अब तुम बोलोगे रिक्वायर्ड स्किल में SDLC नहीं है और मुझे तो काम SDLC का दे दिया, बट दे ऑलरेडी क्लियरली रिटन दिया रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज में ये काम करना है तो करना है. Now package is very good, 6.5 LP is the package, 5 LPA और 5.5 LP के बीच में ही रहने वाला है. Click on apply now. If you see that last date to apply is 30, they did not updated this application but already they uploaded yesterday. So please 2-3 दिन में ही काम इसका मे भी ख़त्म हो जाए. तो apply now पे क्लिक करना है. Then scroll down, click on I accept. Then you have to upload your updated resume. ठीक है, already told you how to update. Then give personal information, complete this field also and please submit it as soon as possible. Don't apply with LinkedIn or Indeed. Upload resume from Drive and Scratch से ही अपना manually इसमें type करके पूरा form fill करना है. So apply it as soon as possible. Link in the description box. Bangalore location is there. So finally, one more opportunity. CWA and SDE role is there. 4 days ago they posted full-time opportunity. Noida location is there. Now these are required skill, not gonna tell you how to apply, what to add in resume. You are clever enough, you know how to update resume and how to shortlist the resume. ठीक है, एक ही वे है, पुट करो जितने डोमेन कर सकते हो, यहाँ पे लिखे हुए इन्हीं की बेसिस पे तुम्हारा शॉर्ट लिस्टिंग होगी. बट इसमें सारे ग्रेजुएट्स ही एलिजिबल हैं और एक्सपीरियंस कैंडिडेट अप टू 1 ईयर. ठीक है, नॉट परसुइंग कैंडिडेट्स इज नॉट एलिजिबल फॉर दिस. सो प्लीज अप्लाई इफ यू आर ग्रेजुएटेड एंड इफ यू सी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिदम. ठीक है, रेस्टफुल एपीआई मीन्स योर वेब टेक्नोलॉजीज इज कंपल्सरी. अगेन SDLC क्या ही मिलेगा, सॉफ्टवेयर इंजीनियर का डोमेन है ना यार, तो तीनों में सेम ही चीज़ मिलेगी, वो उसी के डोमेन में आते हैं ये डोमेन काम. ठीक है, तो जाओ अप्लाई करो इसके लिए. एक ही रेज्यूमे से तुम इसमें भी अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Last opportunity is different. Qualys announced billing analyst, but this is different. Pune location is there, so I'm not gonna tell you who is eligible because bachelor degree if you are from finance background, क्योंकि बिलिंग तो उसी में आएगा मेरे हिसाब से. एक बार रीड कर लेना, तुम्हारे हिसाब की चीज़ ही है. देखो फाइनेंस ही है जहाँ था. हाँ बिल्कुल सही कहा था, फाइनेंस टीम के साथ ही काम करना है. तो जाओ, जितने डोमेन दिख रहे हैं तुम्हारी फील्ड से रिलेटेड हैं, पढ़ो, जाके ऐड करो. You know better than me. I am not from finance background, so please take it seriously and apply for this because competition is less. Not engineering और non tech वाले भी eligible नहीं है, सिर्फ finance वाले हैं. तो highly chances you will get to see the revert back. I know this is Workday website, बहुत स्लो होता है रिस्पॉन्स और यहाँ से बहुत कम देखने मिलता है, बट काफ़ी लोगों को मिला है, तुम्हें भी मिलेगा. जाओ अप्लाई करो और जितना डोमेन अप्लाई करोगे, ऐड करोगे रेज्यूमे में, देन यू विल गेट टू सी द बेटर रिजल्ट. सो प्लीज पुट ऑल डोमेन विच इज रिटन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज and a required skill and please apply for all 4 hiring which I already told you. Like my channel, like this video also, subscribe our channel and please go and apply for Wipro and Infosys. न्यू हायरिंग है ये, कोई पुरानी नहीं है. डायरेक्ट टेस्ट अपॉर्चुनिटी जाके देख लो. ठीक है, टेस्ट इज लाइव. गो एंड अप्लाई एज सून एज पॉसिबल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.